In this video I will show you how you can change your Android to look like latest version of Android, which is Android Oreo. So, let's get started. Open your Play Store and type Oreo UI. The first one app is you have to install it. I already have installed it, so let's open it. As you can see, it is completely changed. Wow! It is the notification center. And its icon. Here is the whole menu. Settings. System. About phone. Android version. As you can see, it is Android Oreo. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. And follow me on Facebook, Google+, Twitter.